Hi guys, how are you today? This is Silva Christoph with Connecticut, and I would like to share some news with you with regards to the Done For You services and how it works for me and how it could work for you if you are interested to know more about it. I am 19th day with the program, and I already have a few sales. I belong to the Facebook closed group where everyone is in touch with their questions. Everyone is sharing their success, asking for assistance with their challenges. I listen to Wesley's videos regularly and religiously, and I find them source of endless inspiration, knowledge, energy, ideas, creativity, wisdom. I'm talking about Wesley Virgin. Please look him up. At this point, you may very well already know who he is and what he's doing to help as many people in this world as he can. If you have come across just one of his videos and it was one of those crazy ones, so to speak, keep watching. Wesley is unique. He does not need to follow a protocol and expresses himself the way he finds fit. On most of his educational videos, he is professional and she shares volumes of information, which I find priceless. He has inspirational videos, educational, entertaining, motivational, and a combination of all of the above. The key is that we all know that you can bring the horse to the water, but you cannot make him drink. And the same is with your mindset. If you are not ready and open for learning, you will not even ever learn more than you know. And it is that simple. As I mentioned in one of my previous videos, apparently I feel lucky myself that I came across his videos and the information he's sharing with us at the moment where I'm obviously very, very ready to move myself to the next level. To get to the details, which you probably are looking to hear about, on the team of the Done For You services, there are programmers who helps you create your landing page. You receive a step-by-step guide on how to create your landing page, pixel, funnel, ads, etc. And you can do everything on your own, or you can actually have them do it for you. That's why it is called Done For You service. Saves you tons of time, which right now we do need so much. And also I would like to mention here that the time that I find for myself now open and free is to work on myself, on my mindset, on the way how I feel. I meditate, I follow all the recommendations that Wesley is sharing with us, and again, I would like to also mention that, I'm almost 60 years old and I've never had a problem with alcohol. However, I always liked to socially drink a glass here and a glass there, and by all means I would like to share that it was something that was preventing me from advancing to a level that I would like to actually see myself advancing. So his meditation helped me a lot in the way he's suggesting to do it, along with journaling and my workouts that I have been exercising for 2 years now, and it helped me tremendously. I lost 40 pounds. So in any case, I would like to share that I'm a person who is constantly working on my self-growth and my self-improvement, and I would like to share from the bottom of my heart my experience with as many people as I can, so that you can see that actually it is possible and it is doable. And I'm a newbie in all ways, all possible ways in terms of technology. However, I get the help that I need in order to advance very quickly. besides the steps, the step-by-step guide that you receive, if you are dedicated and committed, you can have your business actually up and running within literally 72 hours, as I did. I have assigned a developer to my account personally. We have tutorials. The team is around the globe and available to help you literally 24/7. There is only one thing required from you in order to succeed and get the results you expect for yourself. If you do, you need to be teachable, willing to succeed, and to keep a very high level of positivity at all times. If you expect to become a millionaire overnight, this is not going to be for you. If you expect a shortcut to have the results others who have spent weeks and months and years working on their campaigns and business development, it is also not going to be for you. So just don't waste your time and energy, and those of the others also who are 100% committed and dedicated to their success, and could be also helpful for you if you are really serious about that and if you would like to go for it. In one word, guys, it is work. It does not come easy. You receive all the support that you need in order to succeed, and you will receive a rate of return which will be reciprocal to what you put in it. So if you're interested to know more, you can actually send me your email address in the comments. I will get back to you. I'll give you my phone number and we can work as a team. I'm here to help you in these difficult times for everyone with anything that I can. And again, if you haven't followed my other channels so far, I'm just a regular person who works on myself, very dedicated to succeed as much as I can. I went through a few hardships. I lost my husband 7 years ago. I'm a single mom. I'm just a single household person at the moment, and I'm struggling. I'm struggling to advance. Just as probably the other 98% of the population on this earth. So consider that I'm also a cancer survivor, and I went through literally, I don't want to say the word, what I went through. And I was able to survive. So it means that there is more for me out there that I can do, and I really expect to get to as far as I can. So again, call me, send me your email, and I will work with you, and hopefully we all can succeed together. I'm here to help, and I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best, good luck, and till soon. Thank you.